Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shoma and welcome back to this expert guy. I'm back again with a brand new video for you as always, and in this video I'll show you how you guys can go ahead and watch movies and TV shows on your Android device for free and without a root. It's gonna be a pretty cool video. Let's get started. Hey guys, before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification. Thanks. Alright, so guys, as you probably know, there are a lot of applications to watch movies and TV shows for free on your Android device, but out of all those applications, I prefer to use Barbie Movie because Barbie Movie has been always great for me. I managed to watch all the movies that are in the application without a problem. So over movie box or show box or also a cinema box, choose a Barbie Movie because of the design and how it works, and also the features. It has a lot of great features that other application doesn't have. So Barbie Movie has a lot of features. So the one feature that I like and I always use is a Wi-Fi sharing. Wi-Fi sharing is a feature where you can just enable it from your MovieBox application from your smartphone, and you can go to that link or IP address from your any other device, for instance your Mac, PC, or even a TV which has a Wi-Fi. You can go to that devices and you can directly watch movies from your other device without needing to watch from your smartphone. That is the feature that I use all the time, and also it has other great features like a download option where you can go ahead and download it from your offline. Also it has a subtitle features where you guys can go ahead and select a subtitle from different languages. Those are the pretty cool features that I like about this application. Alright guys, so those were all the features and why I like the application Barbie Movie. Now let's go ahead and see how easy it is to download this application on your Android device. So let's get started and go to this link which you will find in the description box. Once you guys come up to this link, just tap on this for Android button on that button and you will start download. As you guys can see, it says would you like to install, just tap on OK, and if we go ahead and pull up the notification bar, as you guys can see the APK file is installing. Now let's go ahead and wait for it to download finish so we can install the application. Alright guys, so now just simply click on the APK file. Let's just download it and now click on install and let it install. The application should take few seconds, and after that you will have the application installed. So as you guys can see, there you go, that is the application. Tap to open it up, there you go, boom. So that's all guys. So this is how simple it is to install the Barbie Movie on your Android device. Alright guys, so that's all for today. So that was my video on how you guys can install Barbie Movie and watch movies. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And also if you guys want to see more Android videos like this, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
I just wanna myself.